Wow, this network cable tester and tracker exceeded my expectations, and here is why. This product includes a carry pouch, a user manual, and some network cables. It consists of a wire tracker receiver that requires a 9-volt battery not included, and a wire tracker that requires a 9-volt battery too. It works by connecting a cable to the tracker and using the receiver at the cable opposite end to confirm the line. I needed to track a cable from my outside work area that runs underground to my basement, so I connected the tracker and headed to my basement. I recently moved to this home with dozens of pre-installed network cables and used the receiver to check them all. I like how simple it was to use, and it eventually located the line. I was able to identify it and label it for further use. Overall, this is a fantastic tool that works as described. I didn't expect it to be this easy to locate a cable among many. What a time saver! It is well worth the price and I highly recommend it. Therefore, I rate this product 5 out of 5 stars.